Hi, my name is Colleen Valadez of Clearly Organized, and today I'm going to explain how to simply keep your car clean and organized.
You first need to be sure that you have a receptacle to hold items and store trash while on the road. Also, keep Armor All and General wipes to remove dust and sticky spills in between car washes. And use a small brush for crumbs and bits of trash. Now, we all love to travel with our pets, but keep a seat cover designed for pets on your back seat and a lint roller to help pick up their hair. And be sure to have your traveling companions take their trash and empty food containers with them when they leave your vehicle.